Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cait on Vet Candy. And now I'm going to be making a cookie dough hummus, which is a fantastic snack. It's going to be loaded with protein and some fat from the garbanzo beans and some nuts from some cashews. And it really does taste just like cookie dough. And so my first ingredient here is just some rinsed, drained garbanzo beans and a 1/4 cup here of some cashews. I also have 3 tablespoons of oats. These are plain old rolled oats. We're going to add those in. Once they get blended up, it almost acts like a flour, like an oat flour once it gets pureed. We have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We're going to sweeten it up because, of course, cookie dough is sweet, right? So our cookie dough hummus has to have a sweetness to it. And a little bit of vanilla. Love the smell of vanilla. Always got to take a minute to stop and smell the vanilla. And a tiny bit of salt. I'm just going to do a pinch on top, and that's good. So those are our basic ingredients. I'm going to add them here. We'll do the food processor and get them all blended up into a nice consistency, just like hummus. Okay. I'm just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure that we get the entire bit all pulverized to the same consistency, because in your cookie dough you don't want a chunk of garbanzo beans. So let's make sure it all gets pulverized. And I'll add the 1/3 cup of chocolate chips right in and stir them in so they don't get too small. And just keep mixing until they look pretty evenly dispersed throughout. And once we're all done, we'll take the entire thing and just pop it in the refrigerator. You could eat it like this right away. It does taste good just like this, but it's even better after being refrigerated for about 30 minutes. It really takes on the texture of true cookie dough. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the fridge, and then we'll try it. And now you can just use any type of dipper you'd like. I really like the crunch of the celery on here. And you have a quick, easy snack on the go.